In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create data bars with Excel conditional formatting. Data bars are a quick, visual way to compare values right inside your spreadsheet, turning your numbers into tiny horizontal bars, so trends are easy to spot at a glance. Start by opening your workbook and deciding which values you want to visualize. Highlight the cell, or even better, the range of cells that contains the numbers you want to compare. Selecting the full range is important because Excel uses the highest and lowest values in your selection to scale the bars. If you include totals or outliers in the selection, those very large or small numbers can dominate the scale, so choose a range that makes sense for the comparison you care about. With the cells selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Conditional Formatting. This menu controls formatting that responds to your data, so as your numbers change, the look of the cells updates automatically. It's a great way to add meaning without manually styling each cell. From the Conditional Formatting menu, click Data Bars. You'll see a gallery of options appear. Data bars fill each cell proportionally. Larger numbers create longer bars, and smaller numbers create shorter bars. If your range has negative values, Excel will automatically show bars extending to the left of the cell's center for negatives and to the right for positives, helping you distinguish direction at a glance. Now choose a fill style that fits your needs. You can pick gradient fill for a softer fade or solid fill for a clean, consistent color. Consider readability. A color that contrasts well with your cell background will make the bars stand out without overwhelming your sheet. If you plan to print or share screenshots, solid fills often hold up better and remain clear in different lighting or display settings. Also, remember that Excel keeps your actual numbers visible by default, placing the bars behind the text. If the numbers look cramped, simply widen the column so the bar and the value are both easy to read. Once applied, the data bars will instantly reveal patterns, peaks, troughs, and clusters, so you can compare performance, track progress, or spot outliers faster. And because this is conditional formatting, the bars update whenever your data changes, keeping your visuals in sync with your numbers. That's it. Select your cells, open conditional formatting, choose data bars, and pick a fill. Try it on a small sample first, and when you're happy with the look, apply it to your full dataset for a clean, insightful view of your numbers.